Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. By the end of it, you should be able to calculate the probability of A or B using the OR rule. So let's go through what the OR rule actually is. So hopefully you remember Venn diagrams here. So I'm drawing a Venn diagram with two events, A and B. So this notation, A union B, that's what the U means. You usually read it as A or B. Remember that actually means A or B or both. So whenever we say or in probability, we include the case of both. So in the Venn diagram, A or B is all of what's inside the circles, this area here. Nothing outside the circles, everything inside it. So inside the circles, we have A, what's in A, plus what's in B. But you can see if I add together what's in A and what's in B, I've double counted what's in the middle. So I have probability of A or B equals the yellow, what's in the A circle, plus the black, what's in the B circle, but because I've double counted what's in the middle, I've counted it twice, I need to subtract it. So that middle bit we write as A intersection B, and of course you read that as AND. So this is the OR rule for probability. The probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of both. And this rule works whether or not the two events A and B are mutually exclusive. So let's use this formula to solve this question here. I pick a card from a normal deck of 52. What's the probability the card I pick is spades or a 4. This or here tells you straight away I should be using this formula. So the probability that I pick spades or a 4, I just add the two probabilities, probability spades plus probability of 4, and then I need to subtract the probability that I pick both. So that's what this notation means. Probability of spades or a 4 is probability of spades plus probability of 4 minus probability of spades and 4. Okay, probability of spades. There are 4 suits, one of them spades, so it's 1 over 4. So the probability of picking a 4, well, there are 4 4s in the deck out of 52 in total. Now, the probability that I pick both, so the way I could pick both is if I pick the 4 of spades. There is one card out of 52 that is both spades and a 4. So all I need to do is put this on my calculator and I get 16 over 52 or 4 over 13. How easy is that? Now we can also use this formula to calculate probability of A and B, which I'll show you on the next slide. So this time I'm told probability A is 0.6, B is 0.5, probability of A or B is 0.7. What's the probability of A and B? Well, I'm going to use the formula before. Probability A or B equals probability A plus probability of B minus the probability of both. I'm going to use this formula. It has 4 unknowns. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know 3 of them from the question, so I can easily rearrange this to find one of the probabilities. So I know that probability A or B is 0.7. That's equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of both. So I can rearrange this equation. I would get 0.6 plus 0.5 is 1.1 minus 0.7. That will give me 0.4. So the probability of both is 0.4, okay? And that sort of makes sense, this answer. The probability of A and B must be less than both of these. Similarly, the probability of A or B always has to be more than probability A and more than probability of B. And that goes back to the Venn diagram. There must be as much inside the 2 circles as there is inside 1. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.